What if I told you that by 2025, your child could have a personal tutor available 24/7, smarter, faster, and more affordable than ever before? But here's the twist. It's not human. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown: AI tutors versus human teachers. Who will win the battle for the future of education? Let's find out. Hey everyone, I'm Hafiz Turk. Welcome back to the channel, where we talk about how technology is shaping our world for the better. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics out there: education. Specifically, how artificial intelligence is changing the way we learn and develop new skills. By 2025, AI will play a huge role in making education smarter, more accessible, and more personalized than ever before. So whether you're a student, a teacher, or someone who just loves learning, this video is for you. Let's get started. Now, let's take a step back and think about traditional education. For years, classrooms have followed a pretty standard model: one teacher, one lesson plan, and a group of students expected to keep up at the same pace. But here's the thing: not every student learns the same way. Some are visual learners, some need hands-on practice, and others might need extra time to process information. And then there's the bigger picture. The world is changing fast. New technologies, industries, and jobs are emerging all the time. That means the skills we need today might not be enough tomorrow. But not everyone has equal access to quality education or the resources to adapt. This is where AI comes in, a powerful tool that can help solve these challenges and transform education as we know it. One of the coolest things AI does is make learning personal. Imagine walking into a classroom where every lesson is tailored just for you. If you're struggling with fractions, the system gives you extra practice. If you're breezing through algebra, it moves you ahead to calculus. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's already happening. AI-powered platforms like Dreambox and Carnegie Learning use smart algorithms to track how students interact with lessons. They analyze things like how long it takes to answer a question, which topics are tricky, and even what kind of feedback works best. Based on this data, the system adjusts the content in real time, giving each student exactly what they need to succeed. This isn't just a dream, it's reality. Schools around the world are using these tools to help students stay engaged, learn faster, and perform better. It's like having a personal tutor in your pocket, ready to guide you whenever you need it. Another game-changing feature of AI is real-time feedback. In traditional classrooms, teachers often wait until the end of a unit or semester to assess how well students are doing. But by then, it might be too late to fix any gaps. AI changes that by providing instant feedback. For example, writing tools like Grammarly and Turnitin now use AI to check essays for grammar, clarity, and even structure. These tools don't replace teachers, they support them, saving time so educators can focus on deeper teaching tasks. And it doesn't stop there. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming go-to helpers for students. Stuck on a math problem at midnight? An AI tutor is always available. Need help understanding a tough concept? Interactive simulations powered by AI break it down step by step. It's like having a 24/7 study buddy who never sleeps. But AI isn't just for kids in school. As industries evolve, workers need to keep learning new skills to stay competitive. And guess what? AI-powered platforms are stepping up to help with that too. Take online learning platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and Udemy. These services use AI to recommend courses based on your goals, job market trends, and the skills you already have. Want to switch careers and become a data scientist? AI suggests starting with programming basics and then moving on to advanced machine learning techniques. Even companies are getting in on the action. Big names like IBM and Google are using AI-driven simulations to train employees in cutting-edge fields like cybersecurity and cloud computing. This ensures businesses stay ahead while helping individuals grow their careers. One of the most inspiring things about AI in education is how it makes learning accessible to everyone, no matter where they live or what challenges they face. Think about students in remote areas without access to great schools. AI-powered apps bring high-quality lessons straight to their devices. Platforms like Khan Academy and Duolingo make world-class education available to anyone with an internet connection. And for learners with disabilities, AI opens doors that were once closed. Speech recognition software helps non-verbal students communicate. Text-to-speech tools let visually impaired students read textbooks aloud. Even sign language translation apps powered by AI are bridging communication gaps between hearing and deaf communities. It's not just about leveling the playing field, it's about empowering everyone to reach their full potential. So, what's next? By 2025 and beyond, AI will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in education. Virtual reality, enhanced by AI, will let students explore ancient civilizations or conduct science experiments in immersive environments. Gamified learning platforms will make education fun and engaging, motivating students to achieve more. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI grows, we'll need to make sure it stays fair, transparent, and inclusive. Collaboration between educators, policymakers, and tech experts will be key to ensuring AI serves humanity's best interests. As you can see, AI is transforming education in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. From personalized learning paths to global accessibility, the possibilities are endless. But remember, technology is just a tool. It's up to us, students, teachers, parents, and innovators, to use it wisely and make sure it benefits everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep the conversation going. And if you have any thoughts or questions about AI in education, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'm Hafiz Turk, signing for now. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and embrace the incredible opportunities ahead. See you soon.